Hi guys, my name is Miss Kaisha, and earlier I recorded a video on how to make a bird feeder using recycled material, but for some reason, after 3 takes of recording and trying, it didn't come out. And so I just kind of want to do a quick discussion video on how to make it because I have it done already. It's already complete, and I didn't have another carton to make another one, so I wanted to do a quick discussion video on how to make one. So as you can see here, I do have it already hanging from the tree, so you can see how sturdy and easy it is to make. So basically what you want to use is just a recycled carton. I used a milk carton, and so what I did is I took a ballpoint pen and I drew a square first on the carton. I drew it on both sides, and then I used a craft knife to cut out the square. I cut it out in the front, and then I cut it out on the other side. Once I had my opening for where the bird would go in and actually get the seeds, I found a stick, just a random stick out in the yard, and I took a hole puncher and I punched a hole in the bottom of it, and I punched a hole in the bottom side of the back. Now, if you don't have a hole puncher, you could just use your craft knife, or you can use scissors. Just make sure that you have your parents' help, and you just want to make sure that you have a small stick that you can insert inside of the carton. Once that was done was the fun part, where I actually decorated the carton. So I decided to use acrylic paint just because it dries fast, and so basically I used orange acrylic paint and I painted the whole carton orange. And then once it dried, I was able to add a little bit more decor to it. I just used whatever I had at home because that's the idea, is just to use what you have lying around the house, and not having to go out and get extra crafts or anything. And so I just used some craft sticks that I had, some colored craft sticks that I had to like kind of give it an effect of a roof. You kind of see the other side. I did as well. And then I just used some leftover heart stickers that I had from another craft. I think it was Valentine's Day when I used these. And I just kind of stuck them all around the carton as well. And then I just put like 2 little furry balls that I had too as well, and some little squiggly eyes. So the idea is just to decorate it however you want to decorate it. I'm not artistic at all, so I couldn't like draw freehand or anything on here, but if you can always do that. You don't have to paint it. You can use markers, you can use crayons, or you can use color pencils, just whatever you prefer. So yeah, I painted it though. And then the last thing I did was I poked a hole in the top of the carton, and that way I was able to add my yarn. And so once I added the yarn, it kind of works as a tie to hang on the tree. And so you can kind of see that I just have it hanging on the tree now. So yeah, so that's it. And then the last thing to do would be to add the bird seeds in the inside of it, and you'll have your bird feeder. Now, I will say that I don't think that it's durable enough to get wet. So if you really like it and you have a day where you know there's going to be rain in the forecast, I would take it down and just bring it in the house. But yeah, it's really fun and it's really easy to make, and I really wish that you all was able to see the step-by-step video, but I'm not sure what happened. But I will add in the description below kind of some steps on how I created this, just in case you needed to know the steps again. Okay, all right, thank you so much for listening to this discussion, and next week hopefully I will have a video for you, another video for our STEAM series. And be sure to check out our other segments that we have. We have a comic series, and we also have a storytelling series. And please be sure to head over to our KCDML YouTube page as well to check out the things that we have there. All right, bye.